Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this scanty clip-in fringe from start to finish. So if you are that kind of person that do not like the bulky fringe in front, you want something very scanty, then this video is definitely for you. Make sure to watch this video from start to finish and let me know what you think about this video right after you're done watching it. Stay tuned guys. Welcome lovelies to my channel. So we're gonna start off to making this clip-in fringe from start to finish, and in this video I am just using the lace net that I just cut at the front part of my already made lace Kim K lace closure net. You can actually use any kind of net, but make sure that you're using the lace closure net that is basically for ventilating. So I start off by cutting off the sewn part of the hair bundle that I have, and I'm making this a mixed color because I just wanted to have a little bit of a different color for the fringe. So I'm starting off with the gold color first. So you want to start by ventilating this is the process for making a closure. If you do not have an idea on how to do that, just keep on watching, and if you still want a video on how you can ventilate, let me know about that in the comment section. So you want to start off by just ventilating this in a straight line. So when you are done, depending on the color that you're actually using to start off, if you want to go by with this kind of color that I just used, I'm basically just doing like a ombre kind of color, that's the black and a gold in the top part of the closure. So you want to ventilate as much as possible. You can start off by doing just like 3 lines, and that would be enough to just cover and give you that very realistic look, as in that would make it look like it's right from your scalp. So that is just the whole idea of using this lace closure net for this method. So when you are done ventilating, we are also going to go by with our bundles and we'll start sewing. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this video by yourself and let me know what you think about this video. Make sure to ventilate as much as possible to cover the tracks that you're going to be sewing underneath this closure. So after ventilating, I just took my bundle, just the single track, and then I just used my needle and thread to start sewing. You can also make use of your sewing machine, but just for the sake of those that don't have a sewing machine, you can just use your needle and thread and just follow this process, making sure that it is very close to the part that is ventilated. In that way you would have a very clean finish and very realistic clip-in fringe that looks as though the hair is right from your scalp. So lovelies, let me know what you think about this video. Are you gonna be trying it out pretty soon? Let me know all of that in the comment section, and if you are new to this channel, do make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe, because I'm gonna be coming out with different hair hacks and DIYs for you to try out. And if there's anything you want me to teach you in this channel, do make sure to comment, let me know in the comment section and I will put it into consideration. Okay, just stay active and stay glued to this channel, and I will definitely do a video on based on what you're requesting me to do. So lovelies, after you sew one track to the closure net, you can add another one. It all depends on the how scanty you want your fringe to look like and how realistic you want your fringe to look like. So lovelies, keep on watching this video and let me know what you think about this video. So this is our clip in fringe looking so realistic, and I used just 2 tracks after ventilating it, and you can see how it's looking like when I fold the net to the other parts. Like, it is so realistic, guys. So we want to seal that part, we want to tack that part to the other part using our easel and thread. Bear in mind that you can also use an invisible thread to sew your hair wefts to the lace closure nets, just to make it look very realistic, and so that people won't be able to see where you have sewn. So if you want to make something like this and also sell it, I would advise that you use an invisible thread to like sew your tracks to the hair instead of using a black thread like I am doing this. So just for the sake of tutorial and just to show you guys how this is done, so when you are done sewing that part, you want to flip your wig comb. This is the snap clip. It's actually called snap clip. Most people call the metal wig comb. So based on whatever you call this, just take it and then flip it upwards, facing upwards, and then start sewing. This is just so that you can have a means to secure this to your hair scalp. So you just want to follow the procedure that I'm actually doing in this video, and just keep on watching. So I'm doing the same for the other side of the extension, and yes, this is how our clip-in fringe is looking already very realistic. Like, you can't even see where it is sewn. Now this is the reason why I had to ventilate it from the start before sewing the tracks, because if you sew the tracks before ventilating it, it would be a little bit difficult. But if that could work for you, then you can actually just do that. You know, there are different methods for, you know, everybody has their own way of learning and how they want to adapt that learning process. So when you are done, we're going to proceed to trimming this, that's, you know, giving it that bang effect. So if you do not have an idea on how to cut your bangs properly, keep on watching this video so that you do not make any mistake at all. So making use of a hot comb, I'm just going to, you know, use that to just make this secure. Please ignore the look of my hot comb, okay? Ignore it. So this is how this is the process, the method that you're going to be facing to make this clip-in fringe. Let me know what you think about this video. Are you going to be trying this out pretty much soon? Let me know all of that in the comments section. And if you've watched this video to this extent, thank you so much. You are the real MVPs, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this channel, and stay tuned. Do not go anywhere. Make sure to hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post another video. Without further ado, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.